For those of you who think there's not enough cup holders in a C8 Corvette, this is the solution for you.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a cup holder by BILLFARO on a C8 Corvette. Now, you might be asking, why are you taking a drink in the Corvette? Some other people might be asking, why are there not any more cup holders? BILLFARO has come up with this cup holder that mounts to the dash vent. Let's get it installed and check it out.
Big thank you to BILLFARO for providing the product for this video. This cup holder has an aluminum base, so it's nice and sturdy. It has a plastic upper structure, and then it has a spring-loaded flap that keeps your drink in place. It also comes with a thumb screw and some padded decals. To start with, you want to peel off one of these foam stickers and place it on the face of the cup holder. Make sure to line it up and stick it down well. And press down firmly to make sure it sticks in place. The tension bolt has a dome top to it and a knurled finish, so it's easy for you to grab and screw into place. You're going to take this tension bolt and screw it into the cup holder. Go ahead and screw it all the way down to the bottom. As I mentioned previously, the bottom of this cup holder is aluminum and it's held together with 3 bolts, so it's very strong. To make it easier to record and easier for you to see, I had to put the top down. You can now slide in the cup holder into the dash vent, rest it on the trim piece, and tighten down the tension bolt. Using your thumb and forefinger, tighten down this tension bolt until it's really nice and firm. Once it's installed properly, it's not going anywhere. And here's that spring-loaded tension flap that's going to keep your drink in place. In this instance, I'm going to be testing a 20-ounce tumbler, and it fits perfectly in there. It's held nice and firmly. Here I'm placing a bottle of water, and as you can see, the cup holder's got a good grasp on it. And if you want to remove the cup holder, it's just the reverse of what you did. Unscrew the tension bolt, and then pull it out gently from the vent. And as you can see here, that tension bolt doesn't leave any marks at all. And the mounting position is versatile. You can put it anywhere along this vent, and even on the driver's side. Overall, it's a good looking solution for those of you who need another cup holder in the C8 Corvette. And the tension bolt is non-damaging and is easily installed and removed.
As you can see, this is very easy to install. It just clips into the vent, it's got a nice soft foam backing to it, it mounts to your dash vent, and then you have a thumb screw that you just tighten and it puts a bit of tension onto the dash and keeps it nice and firmly in place. Some people will argue, why are you putting drinks into the Corvette? Others will be saying, hey, there's not enough cup holders in here. So this is for those people. If you like the product, there's a link in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.